Hi guys! Welcome to my home! So for today's video, I'll be sharing to you other way you can earn money here in Facebook. And that is affiliate program in Shopee. Interesado ka ba? Stay tuned cause I'll be discussing the steps how you can apply the affiliate program on Shopee. Okay, so in that way, you can earn money here in Facebook even though you're not yet monetized. So you can earn up to 20% for every product that you're going to share. And good news, you can share this one on your Facebook account, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Interesado ka na ba? Excited ka na ba? Let's go! I'll be discussing the steps how you can apply to the Shopee Affiliate Program. Okay? I know that a lot of you already doing this affiliate program from Shopee. For those who do not, don't skip the video because this video will help you learn how you can earn money by Shopee. Okay? So now guys, here we go. Andito na tayo sa aking Shopee account. So I'll be putting the screen record here, so that you can follow the steps how you can apply on Shopee affiliate program. Okay, so if you already have Shopee application, you can easily apply to their affiliate program. If ever that you don't have yet Shopee app, you need to download it from Play Store. And don't forget to put my referral code down here. Okay, so let's jump into the steps. So on your Shopee account, all you have to do is just click the me icon, and then you will be routed on this screen. So here on my Shopee account, affiliate account, I already have 23 followers. Oh my god, charis. So the next step that you're going to do, just scroll down and then here more activities. So you will see here affiliate program. Pasensya na at dahil ma-loading. Mahina ang aking net. Here on my case, as you can see here, I already have a Shopee basket or affiliate basket. So if you don't have yet an affiliate basket, all you can see here when you click the affiliate program is apply. So if you are not yet affiliate member, you need to apply on the affiliate program. So since ako is approved na yung application ko, so if you don't know how to apply, I will create another video for that. So here we are already here on the affiliate program. So as you can see here, I have 8 clicks for January 29, 2025. So if you're going to scroll down, you will see here products that you are going to share. You can also search product here on the top. You can just search, for example. So for example, I'll search the exfoliating gel that I'm using right now, that I'm also sharing to you by Applegate. So if you wanted to share, like for example this product, all you have to do is just click it and then tap on share to earn. So you can choose platforms where you wanted to share the product. So you can see here Instagram, which is this pink. The other one is you can see here Facebook, and you can also share directly to Messenger to your friends. So since ako I'm going to share this one on my Facebook, all I have to do is just click Facebook. And then you will be directly routed to your Facebook account. All you have to do is just tap next and then post. So since I already shared this product, I'm not going to post it. Just an example. So next, in this account, I'm not yet seeing my Shopee account. So on my other account, I have already Shopee. I can share video um, through Shopee. Um, as you are familiar with Shopee Reels, I can create video reels on Shopee also, and I can link my affiliate link. So that's it, how you can share your product here in Shopee. And by the way, guys, if you have like created a video from your product that you purchased from Shopee, and then you video it, or you take a photo or a video or a review for that, you can just click share and then copy link from that product that you're going to review, and then you can post it on your Facebook. You can post your video as reels, and then you can input this Shopee or affiliate link on the comment section. So if you like the video, guys, please don't forget to hit like and then follow so that you can be notified on my next videos like this. So on my YouTube channel, you can also subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.